All Parties Hurriyat Conference leaders have deplored that Indian troops are engaged in the genocide of Kashmiri Muslims to change the demographic composition of the occupied Kashmir. APHC leaders including Ghulam Muhammad Khan Sopori, Syed Bashir Andrabi, Khawaja Firdous, Muhammad Saleem Zargar, Yaseen Attai, Zamruda Habib, Yasmeen Raja, Farida Bahenji and Dr. Masaib paid rich tributes to the victims of Shopian massacre on their 5th martyrdom anniversary today. 6 youth were martyred by the troops of 44 Rashtriya Rifles Unit of the Indian Army during a so-called Cordon and Search operation in Shopian. Political experts and analysts have said that Narendra Modi-led fascist Indian government is rendering the Kashmiris homeless in their own homeland on one pretext or another. This week, the occupation authorities attached the ancestral houses of 2 Kashmiris under draconian law, Unlawful Activities Prevention Act in Srinagar and Sopor and properties of 168 Kashmiris in Doda, Kishtwar, Rajouri and Poonch districts of the Jammu region. Indian troops have launched a massive Cordon and Search operation in Samba district of the Jammu region. The troops laid siege around several villages in the district and launched searches. The operation continued till last reports came in. High Court has quashed the illegal detention of a cleric from Baramulla district who was booked under Draconian Law Public Safety Act. Cleric Muhammad Irfan Butt was arrested and booked under the PSA over 2 years without any trial. Indian forces have started assessing the security measures for the annual Hindu pilgrimage, the Amarnath Yatra. Indian Paramilitary Central Reserve Police Force Inspector General Operations M.S. Bhatia, addressing a press conference in Islamabad town of South Kashmir, said stringent security measures will be put in place, including the use of technology like drones. Bulletproof vehicles will be used for protection of the Amarnath Yatris. The annual Hindu Yatra is likely to begin in June. People's Democratic Party Chief Mehbooba Mufti has said that Narendra Modi-led BJP government wants to keep the pot boiling in the occupied Kashmir to garner more votes in the elections in India. Mehbooba Mufti in a tweet said, in the name of fighting militancy, government employees are dismissed and houses attached without giving the families any chance to avail the legal course. Senior APHC AJK leader Mohammad Farooq Rahmani has said that the entire occupied Kashmir has been forgotten and left in grief by all, especially after an onslaught on its identity by a racist government of Delhi to pursue its narrative and religious conspiracy against the majority Muslims. Mohammad Farooq Rahmani, in a statement issued in Islamabad, protested against the denial of basic human rights to the people of the occupied Kashmir.